One of the most iconic treats in Hollywood studios found at numerous locations is the carrot cake cookie. Let's start with the Disney food blog recipe. Now this is extremely simple because you literally follow the instructions on the back of the Duncan Hines box and then shape into cookies. But what makes DFB's recipe amazing is the pineapple frosting. Now we're going to start by draining 1 can of pineapple chunks, adding to a food processor or blender, draining and taking a half cup from the puree before adding room temperature 8 ounces cream cheese, room temperature 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, whisking together, adding to a piping bag and placing in the fridge for 1.5 to 2 hours. Here's our carrot cake cookie. After removing from the oven, place on a cooling rack. But here's the thing. Although they look amazing and taste fantastic, the consistency is yet like a cake. Carrot cake cookie. I personally like somewhat of a crunch to a cookie, almost like a Chips Ahoy consistency. So to do this, we're going to make this fresh. Break out a juicer, juicing until you have about 4 ounces of juice, which should leave you with the right amount of ground carrot. Whisk together a half cup unsalted butter room temperature, 4 ounces cream cheese room temperature, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 egg room temperature, 2 teaspoons fresh carrot juice, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. This will leave you with an actual cookie dough instead of a cake batter. You can make smaller size cookies and dress with frosting, but I'm going for a biscuit size to match the size of Hollywood studios. Add dough to a circular cookie cutter and place in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, but for regular size 375 for 10 minutes. Remove from oven, place on a cooling rack for 20 minutes before slicing muffin top off. Now let's dress these cookies up. Obviously, nothing more to say. Amazing cross sections and terrific flavor. Until next time, cheers.